Today we're going to be taking a look at the Fein 14-inch metal cutting chop saw, part number 729-053-61120. The Slugger features a 14-inch metal cutting blade that is quicker and safer than using an abrasive style blade. This type of blade also produces very little heat and collects whatever metal chips there are here in the back in the collection tray. Another great feature about this chop saw is the quick release clamp right here on the base. You put your material in there, push this forward, flip that over, crank it down, and it'll hold it in place solid. You can also go from 0 degrees for straight cuts all the way to 45 degrees if you need to cut angles, whether you're cutting angle iron, square tubing, or round tubing. As for cutting size, when you're cutting round tubing, you can do a maximum size of 5 1/8 of an inch, and if you're cutting square tubing or angle iron, you can go all the way up to 4 3/4 of an inch right here in the chop saw. And to show you the quick clamping system, I'll take this 1-inch metal pipe, as you can see, flip that over, pull it back, put your material in you're going to cut, slide it forward, close that, give it a spin, and that'll hold your material in place while you make the cut. There's also a handle right here on the back of this if you want to angle it all the way up to 45 degrees if you need to make corner cuts. A couple other features of the Fein 14-inch chop saw is that integrated depth stop right here. If you don't want to cut all the way through the material you're cutting, you can set the depth right here, and it'll keep the saw from going all the way through. Also, there's a cast aluminum base that is very sturdy, and you have your integrated Allen wrenches for making adjustments on your saw, and holders in the base for them so you won't lose them. The saw is 1800 watts and 120 volts and comes in at around 54 pounds. And with that, that'll conclude our look at the Fein 14-inch metal cutting chop saw, part number 729-053-61120.